We're going to talk about these drug traffickers. They're in a speedboat off the coast of Jamaica. It's a small boat. And I wish I had a picture of this to show you. But basically, they have so much weed on this boat, 4 tons, about 4 tons of weed, that the weight of the drugs has stalled out their boat. You can't make this stuff up. I mean, this is not the Mission Impossible situations that Hollywood churns out. So after the engines have stalled from this overload of weight, the U.S. Coast Guard spots this boat. There's 2 guys on this boat, and they get that sinking feeling, no pun intended. Now, the U.S., they're patrolling Jamaican waters at this point. So our Coast Guard calls the Jamaicans first, politely asks, hey, can we board this stalled boat? Because they're in your waters. We need your permission. The Jamaicans are cool about it. Sure. Coast Guard jumps on the boat, immediately discover like 4 tons of weed. Our Coast Guard arrested the 2 foreign guys that were on the boat, and these guys told our people they were taking these drugs from Jamaica. The drugs came from Jamaica, and they're taking them to Costa Rica. Our Coast Guard arrests these guys, takes them back to the United States, convicts them of drug trafficking. They get 5 years prison. Now, I should tell you at this point that, our government is allowed to arrest folks for drug offenses and other things, even though they've never stepped foot in this country. The Coast Guard, the DEA, they don't have to wait for these drugs to hit our shore before they seize the drugs and they arrest the people involved. They can do this in these waters. But do you see the problem with what was done in this case? There's a problem. The judge didn't see the problem. The judge gave him 5 years prison. The prosecutor didn't see the problem either, and the Coast Guard didn't even see the problem. Got like the whole government not seeing anything wrong with this, but there is a big problem with this conviction. I'm going to oversimplify a 28-page court decision and tell you that the appellate court here threw out these convictions. Gone. Shawshank moment for these 2 dudes. Open up the prison doors and go free, because there wasn't enough of a connection to the United States to warrant using our laws and our prisons to convict them. You had 2 foreign guys using a foreign boat, taking foreign drugs from Jamaica and bringing them to Costa Rica. Where's the United States in all this? How is this going to impact America? It's not. We're not the world's police, even though it feels like that sometimes. Case dismissed. Let these guys out of prison. It was a good decision on the appellate court's part.